Okay, so we have completed our real world scenarios for conditional and logical operators. So now we are starting with, here I am at my new Jupyter notebook, and I'm starting with a new topic which is gonna be functions. So functions in Python. So let me rename it to 005 functions in Python. Perfect. So what is a function in Python, right? So it's a basically, in Python, a function is a block of code that can be reused multiple times throughout a program. Okay, so suppose you're given a repetitive task, like you want to do certain task, right? And that task is of a nature where you need to use that steps used in that task again and again. So instead of again rewriting the entire code for that operation which you want to do right again and again, it's always better to write that as a block of code and reuse it again and again, right? So that is a very good approach. Now, what function basically allows? So function allows for us to organize and modularize of our code. So it will helps in organization and modularization of the code and make it easier to understand and maintain. That's very important. So maintenance of the code becomes very easy, and understanding also becomes very easy. So there are several type of functions available in Python, and we will be discussing about that. So functions, so we'll discuss about functions in Python. So there are different type of functions. First type is built-in functions. Built-in functions. Then we have user-defined function. User-defined functions. Then we have anonymous functions. Anonymous functions. And this anonymous function is basically the lambda functions. So I'll put in lambda functions because there is no name we assign to it, so that's why it's anonymous. Okay, and then we have recursive functions. And then lastly we have high order functions. So we will be discussing about all of them in detail. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video I will start with built-in functions. What are the built-in functions and what are the example and stuff like that. See you in another video.